Hello everyone, my name is Bernal, and today we're going to explore the capabilities of the Pingahla AI Data Quality Accelerator fueled with the power of Qlik Answers. So, what is PDQA? PDQA basically is a tool that lets you assess the quality of your data, and in case it has any errors or mistakes, it's also capable of cleanse your data. So the question is, how do we assess the quality of our data? What we do is that we make some tests at row or table level. And these tests are distributed in 6 different categories: anomaly detection, completeness, consistency, accuracy, uniqueness, and validity. What we do is that we give a score to each of one of these categories. So for example, if we look at our raw data and we assess the quality of our raw data, we can see that we have an overall score of 68%. That is basically a computation of the 6 different categories. The idea is that we would like to have a really high data quality score. That means that our data doesn't have any errors. Conversely, if we have a low score, then it means that our data has a lot of errors. So in the first assessment of the PDQA, we can see that we have 68%. But we would like to see what happens when we cleanse our data. Now we can see that our data has a 99.95% score. Really cool, isn't it? So if you want to avoid garbage getting in and garbage getting out of any type of company, let's say a finance, marketing, or operation company, data quality is imperative in any type of data type of company. If you don't have a really good data quality at the beginning of your process, you cannot expect to make any strategic decisions or make data analysis or even start your machine learning type of projects. So, okay, now let's jump to the second section and let's use the capabilities of Qlik Answers. By pressing this button, we are able to go to the Qlik Answers UI. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to ask different questions, put in a hat of different characters that may appear in a normal company. I would like to know if there is any data quality issues. For example, if I am just a regular analyst in the company, I would like to know how this affect the reports that I've been using and, well, in extension, the intelligence that I've been giving to any other colleagues inside the company. So let's ask the first question. How many reports are affected by this data source? Okay, so Qlik Answer Source. The analysis indicates that a total of 21 reports are affected by this data source. The approach involved reviewing the dataset to identify a column tracking reports IDs associated with the entries. Then, the dataset was filtered to extract unique report identifiers and count them, which yielded the result of 29 affected reports. Okay, so we can see that a lot of reports are affected, but now I would like to take a closer look and know exactly which are the reports that are affected. So, list the reports. Okay, cool. So now we can see that the reports are listed. The first one are pipeline by stage report, closed won opportunities, report opportunities by owner, report opportunities with products, and so on. We can see the list of the reports that were affected during this data quality process. And finally, I want to make a little bit a more complex question, put in my hat from someone that could be on the sales team. I would like to know if the sales target are being met on a quarterly and yearly basis. Okay, so let's see what the Qlik Answers AI says. It says the quarterly sales target of 5 million is not being met as the adjusted sales figure after data cleansing is 4.9 million for quarter. However, the annual sales target of 18 million is being met, with the adjusted annual sales figure being 18 million after removing 300,000 in duplicate entries from initial reported 18.3 million in sales. Okay, so here appears something really interesting. We can see that before data quality cleansing, our figures or our data said that our sales target was being met. But after we remove these data duplicates, we can see that the quarterly sales are not being met because we are falling short $100,000. On the other hand, if we look at the annual sales, we can see that the target was 18 million, and before cleansing, our sales were 18.3 million. However, after we make our cleansing, there is also 300,000 duplicate entries, and we're still reaching our target, but just barely. But we can see what happens if we don't have an appropriate data quality assessment and cleansing. We can see that if we don't implement this type of process, our KPIs can be misleading, and at the end we can give our customers or clients or colleagues false information about the performance of our company. So if you have any type of questions, don't hesitate to contact Pingahla on any of the channels that we have available. I hope you enjoyed this and have a nice one.